Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping hair for Elsa's iconic look. Brush thoroughly so strands lie flat. Once done, mist a light hold spray for grip and shape. Make a deep side part toward the temple and sweep the larger section back. Clip the smaller front piece out of the way to handle later. This sets the foundation. Clean lines and slight texture help the braid hold and look voluminous. Make sure to keep tension even as you move into the next step. You'll form a loose, voluminous braid that reads like Elsa's. Start a Dutch braid at the crown, crossing under so the braid sits raised. Add hair gradually from both sides as you work down. Keep each cross slightly loose to create fullness. Don't pull too tight or you'll lose the soft, fairy tale feel. Once braided to the ends, secure with a small clear elastic. Then pancake the braid by gently tugging at outer loops to widen and soften. This creates the dreamy silhouette you want. You finish by hiding the elastic and anchoring the braid. Tuck the tail under or sweep it over the shoulder and insert U-pins through the braid into the hair underneath. Then lock the look with flexible hold hairspray. Style the clipped front strand into a soft curl so it frames the face, and add a subtle accessory if you like. If sections start slipping, make sure to insert 1 or 2 small elastics under the visible braid and retug the outer loops. This fixes slippage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.